Hello everyone, this is Pooja Beniwali from Ryan AI Teachers Training Level 2. I hope you all are doing well. Today again I am here in front of you to give a review on a very famous and inspiring TED Talk, Teach Teachers How to Create Magic by Christopher Amgen. First of all, as usual, I would like to give an introduction of this personality. Christopher Amden is an educator, author, and a professor who is passionate about improving education. His mainly focus on helping teachers connect better with students and create more engaging classroom to make an improvement in the traditional classroom. About the TED Tech, if we talk, I found that this talk is about the importance of building strong relationships between students and between teachers. He believed that great technology is not about delivering information, but it is also about inspiring, motivating, and understanding students. He said that a teacher should not only teach the student about the lesson, but also should inspire them, motivate them, encourage them to get success in their life, to become a creative, focus on their talent, their creativity, their critical thinking, and so on. He also explained that many students feel disconnected from school. The reason behind this is that their experience, their culture, and voices are not always recognized in the classroom. And this is 100% right that many people demotivate whenever teachers do not listen to the student, or whenever their voices and their actions, their creativity, their talent is not seen in the classroom. So he said that teachers should take time to understand their students' background. As we know that all students are not equal, everyone has a different power of catching. Some are very intelligent, and some are weak. So student teacher should know about their student level, about their background. No matter in something he or she may be not good, but in something he or she may be good. Some may be good in academics, some may be good in games, in song, in music, in creative thinking, critical practices, and so on. So, teachers should notice first of all the student's background, their interest, their perspective, and so on. So, one of the main message from this talk that I get is that teacher can create magic in the classroom when they make a student feel valued, when they make them feel respected and heard. Because when students feel connected to their teachers, when they are engaged with teachers, they become more confident, they become more excited about learning. So he said that learning should be interactive and student centered. Instead of having students simply listen to the lectures, teachers should encourage participation, discussion, teamwork, collaboration, communication, creativity, and so on. So this was all about from my side about this TED Talk Teach Teachers How to Create Magic. I hope you all enjoy these sessions and get much more information from here. So my message for all of you and all of the teachers is that teachers should first of all know the background of the student, understand the student in what thing he or she is good or in what thing he or she is weak. So teachers should take them accordingly. Thank you.